In this clip, we're assuming you've installed the WordPress plugin of ours. If not already, go to our website at clonaleur.com. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use the writing assistant. So the writing assistant essentially uses some AI prompts in the background to throw it straight into an article in WordPress that you can do some more with. So we go to writing assistant and let's talk about unleashing AI creativity. And then the article data is at least 100 words about what you want. The more you give it, the better the outcome will be. So all you need in your article data is just some general ideas. So just jot down what's on your mind. You can enter some target keywords if you like. You don't need to do these. Social link would be like a YouTube video or a Facebook post or something you want to reference inside of it, and then click begin to write. And so we didn't provide any of this, so that's quite normal. And we just wait for it to write based on the ideas that I gave it. And as usual, this should not take long to do at all. It should generate it nice and quick. And there we go. Let's have a look at what it's written. And this is where you can sit down and have a look at what's written and expand on the ideas further if you like. And keep in mind that I asked it to write fewer than 600 words. That's what I've got here. But if I chose the classic template with 1200 words, then it would have given it a go, which would work really well providing I gave it enough information to write about in the first place. Gets your creative juices going and just gets you started, especially when you're just trying to write something and you need some creativity to help you along.